Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys a smart robot vacuum by Ultenic. Alright, here we go. My first look at this Ultenic model D6s robot vacuum is that it looks pretty cool. Nice glossy black finish, it looks modern, and it's not too bulky. This unit is very well thought out and well designed, and it only weighs 6.6 pounds, not very heavy. This is what the suction part looks like. Lift this tab here to fill the water tank. This is where you access the HEPA filter. And this is how you open a dust box when you need to empty it. Super simple. And now I will show you how to quickly replace the mop. Cleaning the main brush is super easy too. Just have to open the main brush cover, and the main brush is removable.
Your robot vacuum cleaner. Charging.
This app has so many options. You can adjust the suction power and the water flow. The boundary strip really works. It stops the unit from falling off the steps. It took about 8 minutes to clean a 6 meter squared area. This actually did a good job. I'm quite impressed.